Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World of Art. Pipe along with us to make this straw pan flute using the materials in the description. First, stick 10 straws in a row by putting glue on the side of each straw and sticking them side to side. The straw's holes should be aligned to each other in a straight line, so you can run your mouth over them smoothly when blowing into them. This should form a panel of straws. After it dries, use a pair of scissors to cut the panel of straws in half diagonally. Then cut 2 pieces of string, each approximately 35 cm long. Take one string and stick one end of the string close to the last blowhole of the straw panel. Repeat for the other end and the other set of straw panels and string. Then stick washi tape around the strings and the panel of straws to secure them together. Cut the excess tape off. Now you have a pan flute! Put your lips to the holes and blow some musical notes. Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.